Hello everyone. Our today's topic is monologues and soliloquies. What is monologue? Monologue means monos means alone and logos means speech. So it is a speech presented by a single character, most often to express their mental thoughts aloud, and it is directly addressed to another character or the audience. Some elements: a speaker, an identified audience, a specific occasion for speaking related to the conflict, interplay between the speaker and audience, which takes place in the present, revelation about the character or by the character. The audience realizes something about the speaker or the speaker realizes something about himself or herself. Example: Antony delivers a well-known monologue to the people of Shakespeare's Julius Caesar. You probably know how it starts. Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. I come to bury Caesar, not to praise him. The evil that men do lives after them. The good is oft interacted with their bones, so let it be with Caesar. Next topic is soliloquy. A soliloquy is a device in which a character speaks to himself or herself. It is related to thoughts and feelings. In soliloquy, an actor speaks only when alone or when they believe they are alone. Example of soliloquy: the most well soliloquy in the English language appears in Act 3rd, Scene 1st of Hamlet. To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing end them. Another examples of soliloquy are Juliet's "O Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo?" In Macbeth's "Is this a dagger which I see before me?" These examples are very famous in English literature. Difference between soliloquy and monologue. Soliloquy is a lengthy speech given to oneself when alone, whereas monologue is a lengthy speech in the presence of co-performers. Or in soliloquy, we can see that the character is addressing him or herself and there is no audience except the audience sitting in the theatre. Or in monologue, one character addresses other characters and there can be two types of audience, the real and an audience within the play. So friends, this was all for today. Thank you.